Hi, when connecting Ivy to your existing QuickBooks Online account, there's a couple things that you need to remember when thinking about naming. If you already have entities on QuickBooks Online that you want Ivy to send things over to, we need to make sure that when we build those items in Ivy, we name them the exact same way as we name them in QuickBooks Online. Let me give you an example. Let's say we created a new customer on QuickBooks Online. Maybe you had this customer beforehand. And we're going to call this customer Bob Smith. Okay? The display name here is what you need to name the project in Ivy to make sure that it syncs up with the same customer in QuickBooks Online. Okay? So here in QuickBooks, you have a number of different naming options, but what you need to make sure that you choose is the display name. This is true for vendors, this is true for items, it's true for tax rates, and of course it's true for customers. So everything that we create on Ivy that we want to sync over to existing entities on QuickBooks Online, we need to make sure to name them the same. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and copy the display name here as Bob Smith. I'm going to click on Save. Now we've got this existing customer called Bob Smith here on QuickBooks Online. Okay? Now, when I go here to the project name, I'm going to copy and paste the display name from QuickBooks on this new project in Ivy. Okay, there I've got my details filled in, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Project. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and create an invoice for this project just so we can see that this syncs over to the existing customer in QuickBooks Online. Okay, we'll just choose any old item and click on Save. Now what we expect is that instead of creating a brand new customer in QuickBooks called Bob Smith, it will have found the customer Bob Smith and then stitched the project to the existing customer on QuickBooks Online. Okay, so we go back over here, we click on Refresh. And there we have it. That same exact invoice, instead of creating a new entity on QuickBooks, it found the name and created it there. Had I named the project in Ivy Robert Smith or Bob Smith Malibu Mansion, it would have created a new project. Thank you.